Cooking can be a delightful experience, but it often comes with its challenges, especially when it comes to prepping veggies. That's where the Goodcook Everyday Veggie Divider comes in. This clever gadget transforms your vegetable prep game, allowing you to slice and organize your veggies with ease. Imagine effortlessly cutting your carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers into perfect, uniform pieces, all while keeping your workspace tidy. The divider not only saves time but also helps you create beautiful, professional-looking dishes that impress family and friends. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're whipping up a salad, stir-fry, or a colorful platter for a gathering, this tool ensures your veggies are not just fresh but also visually appealing. Elevate your cooking experience and make meal prep a joy with the Goodcook Everyday Veggie Divider. It's a small investment for a big impact in your kitchen. Order now by now link in the description.